So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of TechYoker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can make Windows 11 installation media. So first of all, open the Chrome browser on your PC. Now here search for Windows 11 Media Creation Tool. Now click on this first link. Now here scroll down. Now here under Create Windows 11 Installation Media, click on Download Now. Now this says Unverified Download Blocked. Click on it. Now click on Download Unverified File. And this will download Media Creation Tool. Open it. In the USC prompt, click on Yes. Minimize this window. Now this is getting a few things ready. Now here click on Accept. Now wait for a few seconds. Now click on Next. Now here select USB flash drive. Click on Next. Now make sure a flash drive is connected. And once you do this, follow the on-screen instructions and this will create a Windows 11 media tool. So this I can create Windows 11 installation media. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.